Hello guys, this is Mrs. Ponce de Leon, and I want to talk to you about the calendar for our virtual learners. Okay, a couple things that we need to know. There are days that we call synchronous days and asynchronous days. If you take a look at this, the synchronous days are days where you will be required to log into Zoom and Canvas. And then we have asynchronous days, which are days where we will not have a Zoom call, but we will require that you log into Canvas to do maybe watch a video and do some worksheets or whatever it is that the assignment is for that day. Okay, so based on content area at George Ranch, the days will be different. So for an example, in the math department, we have our synchronous days as Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, so on those days, you will have a Zoom conference call, and you will also be required to log into Canvas for any other assignments that need to be completed. Then we have our asynchronous days for our virtual learners. Those days are Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Okay, so on asynchronous days, you will not be required to log into to Zoom, but you will be required to log into Canvas. You may have a video on Canvas to watch, a worksheet to do, or notes to take, but you will be required to log into Canvas for that day's assignment. Okay, so during the day, each of these days, if you have assignments that are due on Canvas, those will be due by 11:59 p.m. each day. So again, synchronous days, which are Tuesdays and Thursdays, you are required to log into Zoom and Canvas. And then Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, we have no Zoom calls, but we do have Canvas requirements. Okay, there is something special about Friday though. Friday is considered in the math department, we have Fridays as our flex days. Okay, so if we had a test on a Tuesday or a Thursday of that week, then we have the option to add that flex day of instruction as far as a Zoom conference call is concerned. Okay, but for now, we will tell you ahead of time if that's the case, but for now, you just need to know for math, Tuesdays and Thursdays, log into Zoom. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, log into Canvas and do the assignment that's on Canvas. Okay, kind of gets us through that piece. And then if you take a look at our calendar for the first 6 weeks, we have the first 3 weeks listed. Kind of important things to note. I guess the most important thing here to note is our test is over here on September 10th. Okay, we obviously have a Labor Day holiday weekend in a couple of weeks, so we'll have plenty of time to get our instruction in time for that test on Thursday, September 10th. Okay, now in this case, let me just show you real quick. We do have the option for that flex day because we have a synchronous day here, a synchronous day here on our test. We do have the option to change this day to a flex day, which will require a Zoom conference call. But again, we will let you know ahead of time if that is the case. Okay, that's it for now. If you have any questions, please send me an email on Canvas, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much, and have a great day.